This was good. All right, as you can see, I got all this space to view the market. I love viewing the market on this setup. Got the Aces. Goes like big, like it's crazy screens. Yeah, crazy. So I'm about to go over today's trade. Pretty nice one. Slid a little something on YM today. It was nice. Let me get out of the way. Alright, so pretty much, let me add another tab. Go to the daily. Pretty much started on the daily. Was looking, was like, alright. We hit all-time highs last week. It's Monday. Not really much to see here. Looked over on the weekly as well. Was like, this isn't cute. Looked over on the weekly. Let me clear. Looked over on the weekly. I was like, alright, last week was bearish. We didn't already swept all-time highs. I was like, well, last week being bearish, starting out today, we most likely will be bearish. Whether we continue bearish for the week or not, we most likely will continue down to the downside because we closed strong bearish. And we had this volume imbalance right here, weekly volume imbalance. And momentum was already pushing on that way. So even if we go bullish for the rest of the week, like it was likely that Monday will create either the high or the low of the weekly candle. So I was like, all right, I'm feeling kind of bare. Daily, past few days, candles have been bearish as well. Got that volume imbalance on the daily as well. 4 hour, we have this big gap right here. And we also have that on the 1 hour, which, alright, you just doing what you want to do today. Back to YM. I usually trade 9, so my computer is just like, why are we like not doing that? 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, we had a gap as well, which is this nice, lovely area right here. Just big old gap. It kind of tapped into it here, but I felt like it would need to fill in some more. And when we got up there, I felt like it needed to fill in some more. And when we got up there, we started heavy rejecting. So that was good. Yeah, so I was pretty bare in my mind. Then I dropped down. Let's come over here. Dropped down to the 15-minute, trying to see what we had. I was like, alright, this high right here is the same high this right here. I was like, alright, what we got on the 15-minute? Like, it was like, we got this gap here. Like, that got created. That looked good. Around this time, like 9:30, like, we had approached that gap. Do I not have a mark? I don't have a mark. I don't have even one of them marked. 4 hours? Must have been. I'll be taking stuff off because like I just kind of see it. It kind of be annoying to have like a bunch of stuff on your charts all the time. But I'm just gonna identify this 1 hour gap. Came up into that 1 hour gap. It's not showing over here. Visibility minutes. Yo, my chart want to be on YM so bad. I mean on so bad. Alright. So we tapped here at 9:30. Started giving heavy rejections. Came back, retested. Tapped into a little gap on the lower time frame. Barely made this one. I think it's a volume imbalance. Yeah, we tapped into this volume imbalance right here. And then that came at 10:14. Yeah, yeah. This was nice. On one account, I got the sales in this area. Uh, just off of it, rejecting off of the higher time frame. But on my main account, I saw this happening, so then I got in like around this area. For on this candle, I got in. I think I got in like right when it got into the breaker, and the reason why I got in right there, because I wanted to see the rejection, but I wanted to see it come into this area with momentum, because I was like, if it come in there heavy, like really strong, like how I did with this engulfing candle, boom, I was like, yeah, that's gonna be sales. So got in like this, stop loss. I think my move was something like this. That's one line, yeah. My move was something like this. My target was on the higher time frame, which my target was like here, I think. Oh, this was my move. Okay, let me delete this one. This was my move. It's a lot. There we go. Alright, so like I said, got in right here. This candle. Precisely right here. Stop loss. A little bit below the high. Because honestly, if it started coming through here with pressure, like I wouldn't have been in that no way, because you would have had to blast it through this volume imbalance and blast it through this gap. Like one of these should cause bearish reaction. So if it would have came all up here and everything, yeah, we could just cut that loss early. But yeah, this was the move that I was going for. I ended up moving my stop loss somewhere in this area, so we took a little less than we ideally wanted, but that's all good because we definitely left a profit today. But yeah, so the move that I was going for, it still hit. Yeah. On computer. It still hit, as you can see over here. It still hit. Would have been nice to have held that, but it's whatever. I ended up moving my stop loss because let me look over this one. I ended up moving my stop loss because I was identifying lows. So we had this low right here. I think I identified them on the 15-minute. Either way though, we had this low right here. We have, let's go back over here to 1 hour. We got this low right here, and then we had this big volume imbalance from last Friday. So I was like, volume imbalances are such magnets, yo. I was just looking, I was like, all right, we've hit all-time highs, now we're trending down. So let's just follow the market. And sure enough, got right there to my target and stopped. Really wish I would have held it, but we got the 1-1, so that's all good. That's all good. Yep. That was a move though. Nothing too fancy. Nothing too crazy. Let's see how many pips was that? From entry, that John went for 251, 252. And we was only risking 74 ticks. Crazy business. Crazy business, boy. Man. Let's just take a look. After we got our entry, right here. Like, you could have, let's just play. Because she pretty much went down the whole day. So, let's just play. It's too fast. Alright, so she tapped back in here. I actually don't remember exactly how everything happened, so it's going to be interesting seeing how many times I can sell, knowing that it's going to go down. Because just because I know it's going to go down doesn't mean that every single entry will play out. But this were live market, and I missed the first entry, and I wanted to try to enter here. Probably hold my stop loss like here. Because she might, like on a day when this is all the information I have, I'll be anticipating like, okay, if she comes back above here, then she might be coming to tap this out and then come into here, and I'll try to enter again there. But I don't think she came back that high. So let's do something like that for 1 or 2. Does she go right here? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 1 or 2. Boom. Alright, let's pause it. Where we at? That was sexy. Yeah, that would have been a crazy like second opportunity. One thing I've been thinking through a lot is like, why is this so bright? Like, my transparency down. Can't see my candle, boy. Alright. So one thing I've been thinking through with my trades is like, I'll see something happen like this and say, usually I got in pretty low here, but usually I'm saucy with it. Like, I'll get in on the volume imbalance. Like, I trust volume imbalances a lot, and if I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna take it. I probably would have had the same stop loss I had before, something like that. And then one thing I've noticed, if I get in a move, it always come back. It just been coming back lately. Like, so what I'm thinking through is like, okay, let me take the easy target. Boom. Let me close that position once it hits TP, right? Hit TP there. If I close it here and then I see something like this breaker ready to get double tapped, then let me just re-enter on the breaker, stops at the high, take the next target, which would be this low. So then boom, I'm eating and I'm not going up and down in so much drawdown. Like, this was barely even any drawdown. Once it tapped there again, the amount of drawdown that you have is 5 freaking ticks. That's fire. Like, versus sitting through this as it's like chopping up and playing around. Like, just, I need to stop like trying to hold things the whole time and just like get a little bit, find nice re-entries, especially on trending days. Like, so, alright, let's see if we can find another something that look good to enter. Alright, what are we looking at? So we got some volume imbalances in here. Dang, that John say 5 hours. I hope it really don't take 5 hours. Please, for load. Hold up. Is that a volume imbalance right there also? Yup. Real talk. I love volume imbalances. I probably want to see if she will come up to this one. But I don't think she did. But I probably would wait to see her come up to this one. Let's see. Alright. We got a volume imbalance as our entry. Got a volume imbalance below it. And we got a breaker. Put my stop loss above the breaker. I'll give it 3. I'll give it 50. Go for 1. What's my next target? What's the low? 1 to 1.4. Let's take it. Let's see if she makes it. Is she a target? Nope. Might not get back up there. Oh, maybe. Uh-oh. She double tapped that in volume imbalance. Alright, so we tapped it. That's entry. I don't know what it's gonna hold. Let's see. We about to get stopped out. Yeah, we stopped out. That's an L. Let's pause it. That's an L. Wrong computer. Hold on. Alright, entry was right there. Yeah, stopped out right there. Let's keep playing. Tap back into that breaker. Alright, I didn't see it fast enough. This is done. This is cooked. This actually gave support and resistance, so I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna leave it there. If I don't want to do anything, I see this volume imbalance. I'm tired. I want these files to finish so I can go to sleep. If she tap back in there, I'm getting in. Alright, so this is for this gap. Let me clean up, because I can't think straight with all this stuff on my chart. I'll delete this because I got the line. I sell right here. These lows. Sell right here to these lows. Let's see. Time is it? On the charts. 12:56. She already hit target. She did not hit entry. So I'm deleting this. I wouldn't take that. Time is it on the chart? Okay. Dang, we could have held that. Crazy business. Too easy. Look. See, and that's reality, bro. Like, sometimes you click the trade, you make the trade. Sometimes you click the trade and you just straight up lose. Sometimes you got an idea and then you don't execute. Stuff like that all plays a factor in your mind. Stay on your toes. Let's see. That's 2 o'clock. That's it. Probably like after, if this happened right at 2 o'clock, like the day is done. Like, the day is done. Like, you really don't want to be trying to execute after 2 o'clock for real. The move, like if something like this already happened. Like, there really wasn't there really wasn't no like real entry here, like, unless you just maybe pulling out the fib. Like, okay, it hit the 50, it hit the 61. So I mean, I guess you could like hit it for a 50-50 shot, but honestly, it just wasn't really even a move. Like, it melted, but there was no real like move. So let's see, if you're gonna call it a move, you got this breaker right here, volume imbalance right there, tapped at 242, continue down. I guess you could call this a move. Hit that consequent encroachment. Stop loss above the body of the engulfing. Take it to the lows. I mean, shoot, I ain't mad at it. Let's see if that held. Boom. Yeah, that's fire. But yeah, I probably won't be trading that late. No way. If I'm trading that late, I'm probably just spiraling. Like, don't even really need to be in the market. Dang, that's clean. That's fire. Yup, that's cool. Alright, alright, alright. Yeah, today was nice. Today was really nice. But I'm about to get up off this. Waiting on these files to finish uploading. I still got 212 items left. I'm about to go to bed. We just gonna have to sleep with the light on tonight. It is what it is. I ain't even about to cut this. I'm about to just let it be what it is and upload it because I haven't uploaded in a few days. So yeah, let's get that done.